Hi everyone, it's Sue here from the design team for Indigo Blue. This time I thought I'd do something different and create a journal page. So all I've done so far is to paint the journal page with some of the Welsh Slate translucent grey, and then I've stamped using a lot of my favourite collector's edition stamps using white gesso. Just remember, if you use white gesso to print using the stamps, don't forget to wash them straight away after, otherwise it'll dry on the stamps and ruin them. I've also then done a couple of splashes of Dragonfire, which is a beautiful orange metallic paint. So what I thought I'd do this time is I'd do a little memorial page to my little dog Roxy, who a lot of you will know that I always used to craft up with her, and she would always be snoring. So I found a few of my favourite photos. One where she's looking really cheeky with her tongue poking out. One where she's on the beach sniffing rocks, and boy did she like to sniff rocks. She'd have to sniff everyone on the beach. And one where she's looking very angelic, although she never really was very angelic. Some of you will remember she used to snore all the time, so she didn't think much of my crafting when I was with her. So those are my favourite photos. So I've just cut them out and put them on some black card or orange card. And I'll just put these around there for now. I also stamped out some of the squiggly leaves and the squiggly flowers, and I've stamped them, fussy cut them out, and I'm going to rearrange these. Have a quick look what it's looked like, so I've got some idea where I'm going with it. Actually, I think, yeah, I'll probably change my mind half a dozen times before I finished. So anyway, there's some flowers. Yeah. And then I also stamped out Roxy's name using the Circus Alphabet set. And so we've got Roxy, which we'll put up there somewhere. I got a couple of metallic cogs, which I can put around the page as well. This will probably change half a dozen times. And the other thing I've done is I've printed out, using the Rescue is My Favourite Breed stamp set, a little sentiment that I'm going to use as well. So that's this. And it's going to go around there somewhere. So those are all the pieces I want. I'm now going to colour them. And I'm going to use, again, the Dragonfire metallic paint, yellow ochre translucent paint, the Terre Verte translucent paint, and the 22 karat gold translucent paint. Right, okay, I just need to put all these pieces together now. So, and I need a new chair. This one squeaks so much. This one down here. Up there. I think I prefer that one up that way. See, I knew this was going to take an hour and a half to do because I can't make my mind up. I quite like that one. But is it going to be too far over that way now? No. I think I might be all right. To put these. There were 5, but now there are 4. Everything in this craft room disappears. That's weird. Anyway. No, don't like that. It would look better with 5. Oh, there it is. That's a bit better. And I've just got these little tiny leaves to go around the sides with these little flowers on. I like the colours. They go together quite well. Yeah, I quite like that. Now what I would normally do now is to take a photo with my phone to make sure I put them all in the right place, but my phone is up here, so I'm just gonna have to try and do this without messing it up. Okay, and I've got some of these cogs left to put on. Actually, I think that's enough. So what I'm going to use for this is a what I'm going to use for this is super thick Slap-it-on. For anything like that's a little bit heavier than cardboard, I always use Slap-it-on thick. So I haven't got an awful lot left of this. So I'm going to put a dab on and then just gently, so I don't want too much. Okay, that's good. This one as well. Oh my god, turn it over. Oh. Okay. Don't worry about the white bits coming through because this will dry nice and clear. And one more. Okay. It's almost finished, but I think I might have a couple of splatters for there, so I think I'm gonna go for black. So I've got some black gesso now as well, so bit of water, tiny bit of this. I'm going to get a tissue because there's a lot that I don't want to get covered. So I don't want anything there. I don't want anything there. And that'll do for that. But and put this sheet over there as well. I just want a couple of little bits. I think that's probably good. Yep, that looks okay to me. So thank you for joining me while I've been creating this little page for my beautiful little Roxy dog. We'd never realised that something so small could make such a big hole in your lives. But I think I like that. So I'll just bring that up to the camera a bit more if I can, so you can see. Thanks very much for joining me, guys. Catch me again soon. Take care. Bye.